Bad. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and get started with this build real quick. Hello? Oh, let's get this a little bit. I just got to push this back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We got that Akko ACR top 75, you feel me? It might be a little backwards for y'all. You know, I could switch it around so y'all can really read it though real quick, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if I should flip the camera though. I'm fucking with it. Not the hand cam. Hey, let's unbox this joint though. You wanna beat me so bad. I saw you got the pink switches too. Wow. First of all, that was the only switches they had. Why you hating? You know what I'm saying? We really finna build a keyboard, y'all. Like, I don't even know what this is right here. I think this is the PCB where I plug the switches in. Boom. Yeah, we got the plate right here. Yeah. Hold on, I really gotta load up this video because this did not come with no instructions. The cord, because we do not do wireless around here, you feel me? Is this a keycap puller or a switch puller? You got all the tools though, you know what I mean? I think this is a keycap puller. Just the no white gloves. Nah, we don't do that. You know what I'm saying? I think this is the switch puller right here. Hey. Yeah. Them young stabilizers. Prelude everything too. I got the prelude switches, prelude stabilizers, you know what I'm saying? Some gaskets here. Boom. All right, we got the screws. I don't know which screws is which. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna have to really figure this out. Okay, let me put these right here. Pre what? Pre-lubed, you know what I'm saying? I think this is the foam. Boom. This is gonna be five. Not prelude. Okay. Then we got the case. You know what I'm saying? That young case right here. I see that. Acrylic. You know what I'm saying? I'm put that over here because we're not gonna build that right now. We gotta do this other stuff. Yeah, I saw this, right? Aluminum plate. Boom. It looks good. Dope. The foam. Alright, so let me close out of this real quick. I'm looking for my keyboard. I just type. I'm weak. Put my keyboard on the side real quick, you know what I mean? I didn't really feel like unplugging it because I might need to type something. Boom, boom. All right, this is the one we want right here. I wish I had like actual instructions to build this rather than just using a video. But I am a visual learner, so you know what I'm saying? Y'all didn't see the switches either. We got these switches. Akko Gataron. I said Gataron or Gataron. Pinks. These are linear switches. You know, yeah, linear, pre-lubed. There you go, right here on the back. If y'all want to see the, you know what I'm saying? Then I got these keycaps. These are PBT keycaps, the pudding joints. You know what I'm saying? So my little joints could shine through, you feel me? Got some other little options. Yeah. And we got the dark blue options too. I think I'm gonna use the dark blue space bar, to be honest. And then some of these light blue joints, and then the whites. I get these are like light blue too. They're just a lighter blue. I'm gonna put these on the like the actual keys, like the alphabet. Yeah. Thanks. So where we start with? You got those? Nice. I got them joints off of Amazon for the low, you feel me? The clear with the dark blue space bar gonna eat. I hope so. I was trying to put the vision in my head. I was trying to put it together. I really wanted some Japanese like hiragana keys, but I couldn't find none that had like the backlit. All right, so they started with this, the stabilizers. Okay. So the only thing that's different with these is the space bar, right? Oh nah. Oh nah. How this go? How this go? Hold on. Like so? Ooh, that's right? Yeah. I hope so. Slow the video down. You spitting. I got it. Boom. Took a little time. You see that? So it go like this right here. Boom. I be feeling like I'm finna break something. Boom. Okay. We got two of them in there. Okay. I'm really professional right now. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, all right. Gonna get the space bar in here now. Hold up. All right, so we got the stabilizers on there. Ooh wee. What's up, Marcus? Yeah, I'm gonna test it out after we build it. Just know something broke. You feel me? All right, so it go this side up, I'm assuming. Boom. They look kind of clean though. It's a hot swappable PCB too. I didn't get the solder one. All right, put that right there. I know we're gonna need this. I really should have unpackaged this before, huh? I almost ordered like a screwdriver set, and I was like, I don't really need that because it come with the little screwdriver tool, you know what I mean? And I almost ordered one of these and one of these, and I was like, nah, it come with that. Okay. All right, so he lined this up on here. Boom, like so. Right. All right, perfect. And then we throw in the stabilizer, or the what's this joint called? Oh, this just slides right in. So you know when it's really in the right spot. Okay. That explains a lot actually. What do you mean by that? All right, so I know we got to screw this together. I'm trying to see what screws they're using. Cause let's screw these first two in just a little bit. Okay. I think this one might just, oh, it went in perfect. Cool. All right, so we got two more. Come on now. It's kind of heavy. I didn't expect it to be that heavy. Did they send me an extra screw? It ain't never good when you got an extra. You want yours to be clicky clacky? Wrong screw. I try to get some silent switches. Where the last screw at? Oh, okay, it's right there. I wanted mine to be Thaki, big Thaki. You know what I'm saying? Look at you using the lingo. I just learned what Thaki meant just a couple of days ago. That's why I like having one I can just swap the switches and keycaps when I want. Yeah, that's why I didn't get the soldered one. Cause I'm not trying to have to resolder and unsolder a PCB. A man Bree. I really don't like this little tool. Like they made this for people with small hands or something. Yeah. All right, we got that done. Now we can move on to the next portion. So this is the top. That's the motherfucker. They make this in the acrylic or aluminum, but I like the acrylic. They know people the top, so we gotta flip it around. Boom. Boom. Okay. But he got the oh, he got this back here. Bro just said install screws to secure it. Which one though? Which ones? You know what I'm saying? but I got it in on the first try. Let me get some hypes in the chat. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. So now, all right, so let's push this up here. Every time Kyra gets, it gets E. Hype train, where you at? Okay, so now this goes like this. Boom. Y'all got me watching this in ultra slow mo so y'all can actually see. So we're gonna put this in without breaking it. That's the USB. Boom. Like so. I guess I could have did it like this, since we're gonna have to screw it in. Ooh, we got a keyboard almost, bruh. We almost got a whole keyboard. Let's go. Boom. Alright, so these go here. Let's do this. And put all the screws on there first. Just hand thread them real quick. I'm glad that I actually spent. I probably should have tested to see if it works before I screwed the whole thing down, huh? If it's actually, because I'm glad I didn't put y'all on the screen, because the way y'all cooking me, they would have been cooking me in the comments. All right, bet. Whew, that's gonna be smooth. I can't wait. Let's go. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. All right. Now I really got to bring up a picture of this keyboard. We just need two more keys. Two more keys. We got the follower goal, 500 followers, bruh. Yo, appreciate y'all. I'm looking for a K. There you go. Hey yo, Randismo. Appreciate the follow. What's good with y'all, man? Y'all having a good day?
Dabshot'em gifted a tier 1 sub to Ninjala. They have given 44 gift subs in the channel.
Man, I can't believe we hit 500 followers. What the heck? Hype train is close too. Spoil me, you feel me? Spoil me, you feel me? Alright, I'm looking for... What key is this? The comma. Y'all see the comma? We finished. We finished. Ooh, you see your commas in your bank statement. I love that for you. How many? Cause let me borrow like 2. Let me borrow 2 real quick. Fresh, you like it? Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you. This was a fun time. I cannot lie to you. Send me a bill real quick. Oh, this came out kind of clean. Came out real clean. Oh no. Not the light bill. How long did it take to build? How long have I been live? Somebody hit exclamation point uptime. Because I've been building it the whole time I've been live, pretty much. Your shit take premium. 2 hours and 47 minutes. That's how long it took. Man. Ooh-wee. It's looking kind of clean, right, y'all? What would y'all rate it? Out of 1 to 10, you know what I'm saying? What would y'all rate it?